Which one are most complex sugars? Correct is option C, polysaccharides. Starch, cellulose and glycogen yield dash on complete hydrolysis. Correct is option D, glucose. Which of the following polysaccharide is called animal starch? Correct is option B, glycogen. Which of the following statement is incorrect for fats containing unsaturated fatty acids? It's option B, they are usually solid at room temperature. Which one of the following fatty acid is more soluble in an organic solvent and has higher melting points? Correct is option C, palmitic acid. Fatty acids containing 18 carbon atoms and a single double bond is, it's option C, oleic acid. Dash is example of pure form of cellulose. Option C, cotton. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from, its option B, starch. Chemical components less in eukaryotic cell as compared to prokaryotic cell is, its option D, 4 only, that is DNA. Total number of amino acids discovered so far in cells and tissues are, its option D, 170. In glycine, an amino acid, R group is replaced by its A hydrogen atom. Which structure of protein gives information about number and sequence of amino acids in it? It's option A, primary structure. An insulin molecule consists of dash polypeptide chains. It's option B, 2 polypeptide chains. Total number of amino acids in a hemoglobin molecule are, it's option D, 584 amino acids. A bond formed by linkage between hydroxyl of carboxyl group of one amino acid and hydrogen of amino group of another amino acid which releases water is called, option C, peptide bond. In an aqueous environment, the most stable tertiary conformation is that in which, its option A, hydrophobic amino acids are buried inside the conformation. Which structural organization is most common in globular proteins? Its option C, tertiary. Actin and myosin are the basic proteins involved in contractile machinery of our body. To which type of proteins do they belong? It's option B, fibrous proteins. Antibodies play an important role against microorganisms and other pathogens. To which type of proteins do they belong? It's option A, globular proteins. Which conjugated molecules play an important role in gene expression? It's option B, glycoproteins. The first organism of whose genome was completely discovered was, its option C, Haemophilus influenza. Each strand of DNA contains dash nitrogenous base pairs. Its option C, 20 base pairs. ATP is an important molecule for its major function. Its option A, as an energy currency of the cell. In CxH2O whole Y, X ranges from, its option B, 3 to many thousands.